या सो जैसे सर ने बोला फैमिली जनरेशन रहा है कि स्कूल करना है, 11th में रेडियंस जाना है, रेडियंस से निकल के अच्छे कॉलेज में जाना है. देयर वाज नो अदर ऑप्शन, राइट? सो व्हेन आई केम टू रेडियंस दो, आई जॉइंड इन 2013. अनबिलीवेबल कि 12 साल हो गए, बट व्हेन आई जॉइंड हियर आई थिंक ऐसे ही था कि दिस इज जस्ट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप, राइट? 9th से 10th में चले जाते हैं, 10th से रेडियंस में चले जाते हैं, एंड देन लाइक इट वॉज वेरी नॉर्मल फॉर मी. And I think 11th, 12th in Radiance was so formative, like the best formative years for me. So it was not just teaching, we explored and we actually found out ki what is mentorship, right? School में teachers होते थे, Radiance में mentors होते थे. काफ़ी चीज़ें मुझे अब याद आती हैं मिश्रा सर की और कुशवाहा सर की, which maybe उस समय उस stress में I could not get, but now I get it. So it will always stay with us, and very grateful to that, grateful to this family. I think I'm college, I was just thinking that पता नहीं मैं काफ़ी लोगों को पहचान नहीं पा रही, अनिरुद्ध को मैं पहचान नहीं पाई, and like because I don't think हम लोग इतना connected रहते हैं with this alumni group. With our college alumni groups, we have memories of a lot of fun, right? But with our Radiance alumni, we have memories of like the hardest struggling years of our life. So maybe इस वजह से हम लोग इतना connected नहीं रहते, but I think a good start to that. Another, I think, experience that, yeah, let me come to that. I think सब लोग ही इतना कुछ अचीव कर चुके हैं यहाँ पे. I am just like one in the multiple journeys. So I have worked with, I graduated from BITS Pilani in 2020. So I was in a dual program from 15 to 20 with mathematics and electronics. And after that, I worked with Hair Technologies and then Bird Eye Solutions, and then now I am in Wayfair, which is an e-commerce company. So I'm working as a software development engineer plus somewhat a data engineer. So I feel like our roles are changing with the AI bubble that we are in. So yeah, mostly exploring that. And right now I'm working on creating pipelines with external lead generations like Meta, TikTok, integrating influencer programs to generate leads and create new customers. So mostly, I would say I'm connecting with the marketing group of the company, but in tech with that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I was just thinking that so many people are doing so many things, but we are not aware of it. So one suggestion that I think I would like to pitch is maybe on the Radiance website or something like that, we can keep posting, you know, if anybody is doing new things. Because I feel like हम लोग इसी family में बहुत ज़्यादा aware नहीं है of what everybody is doing. So maybe something like that. Maybe Koberia में हम लोग अभी बहुत contribute एकदम से नहीं कर सकते, but it's very interesting. Like I feel like I want to, but I don't know if I can right now. But I still would want to. So हम लोग सब लोग अपनी फील्ड में बहुत एक्सपर्टीज गेन करने की कोशिश कर ही रहे हैं. Maybe we can contribute in, maybe we can have a platform where everybody can like, I don't know, impart some knowledge that they feel that they're confident कि मैंने इंडस्ट्री का बेस्ट वाला ये देख लिया है. Like I am managing a lead generation portal of which is generating like millions of revenue, and which is generating leads for like every day like thousands of leads. And then we know how to convert a customer from it. We know how to gain it, right? So I feel like I can say something about it. Maybe I'm not still the best. I'm still new in it. But बहुत लोग हैं जो best हैं भी. Like sir said, 25 years is like huge. Some people are sitting at the top of the industry who are from Radiance, right? So maybe वैसा कुछ. Maybe I'll, I don't know, they just came to me now. Maybe I'll frame this idea more and pitch it to you again. But yeah, I think a very good session for me also, and great to see everyone and connect back. Thank you.